Have you ever recommended something to a friend? A restaurant you loved, a show you couldn't stop watching, an app that made your life easier? You weren't trying to sell anything, you were just sharing something that helped you. And here's the interesting part. You're probably already doing something that people get paid for. Think about it. When someone says, "Do you know anything that could help with this?" and you point them to something useful, that's influence, that's trust, that's value. And there are companies that will actually reward people for making those introductions, not because it's complicated, but because businesses need customers. Most people think making money online means creating a course, building software, starting a brand. But what if you didn't have to create anything? There's a simple model where the product already exists, the company handles everything, and you simply connect the right person to the right solution. That's it. It's called affiliate marketing. But really, it's just structured recommendations. Now let's talk about AI, because when most people hear AI, they imagine something technical, complicated, intimidating. But that's not what this is. Today, AI is more like a writing assistant. It helps you organize your thoughts, draft content, clarify ideas, stay consistent. You don't need to code, you don't need technical skills, you don't need to understand how it works behind the scenes. You just use it. Now imagine this. You recommend products that already exist, and you use AI to help you communicate clearly and consistently. That's a simple business model. No inventory, no customer service, no complicated tech stack, just recommendations supported by smart tools. Let's be clear, this isn't automatic money. It still requires learning, it still requires action, but it removes two of the biggest barriers people face: creating something from scratch, feeling overwhelmed by technology, and when you remove those barriers, things feel a lot more doable. If you're curious how regular people are combining simple recommendations with easy to use AI tools, there's a free workshop that explains everything step by step. No jargon, no complicated explanations, no assumption that you already know anything. Just a clear breakdown of how this model actually works. If any part of this made you think, wait, that sounds doable, check out the link in my description to watch the workshop. You might be closer to this than you think.